Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video today we are diving into the world of home security. I have in front of us the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus. So if you're serious about protecting your home, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Let's unbox this thing, and I want to show you exactly what this is all about. Before we jump right in, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down to this channel below. Make sure to hit that bell. Make sure to hit that like button because there's so much to see. I'm going to show you inside. I'm going to show you how to install it. It's a lot going on. So if you haven't already, make sure to do that. Now, one of the cool things about the Spotlight Cam Plus, it has really good night vision. It has a spotlight on the side here, and so you can schedule when you want to turn these lights on. It also has a versatile placement, so you can place it virtually anywhere that you want to, and it will work in rain, shine, snow, whatever. So as you can see from outside the box here, nothing in the front except for the picture. In the back here, it tells you a lot of details. HD video, two-way talk, color, night vision, versatile replacement, video and photo history, light schedules, motion controls, and then you also have everything that you can control from the Ring app there as well. So without further ado, let's open this up. Boom, baby. Here it is, guys. Here it is. This looks like it's the cable, the cord. You get the Ring sticker, of course. You also have some booklets, Spotlight Cam Plus on here. Tells you the hardware installation guide. And then this is going to be the warranty and safety. Looks like a plug-in. Looks like a charger for the battery. I have the Ring doorbell cam, and it takes a micro USB for your battery to charge it up. This goes underneath the camera to lock the battery in place. I know what that is. And you also have some mounting screws. Okay, nothing else in here. So inside that little small box, you get some anchors, and you also have some screws. Looks like you have 5 of them, and you also have a battery lock. And here, looks like this is the bracket that you can mount this onto a wall, and then you can take out the camera. And nothing else in there. So much adhesives, locks in place. I'm just gonna say F it. Here we go. Just open it up here. Ooh, already has a lock for the battery on the bottom here as well too, if you can see that. So it has one, you get an extra one as well. And then this piece comes off. That must be the speaker to protect it. And then this must be the camera. All right, look at that. Nice and sharp. All right, so now we have the camera, we have the locking plate here. And for the locking plate, if you wanted to take it apart, you can just do that, where you can actually put this on the wall first, and then slide this right on top of it to lock it back down. So it'll lock in place just like that. And then you have a screw mount here to really lock it in place so it doesn't fall out, or some people are going to be tampering with it. Backside, where it's a little bit flat, where it has these inside edges here, those goes inside and lock it in place. Now you have a camera that you can mount virtually anywhere. All you have to do on the bottom side here is you twist it, pops right out, just like that. Pretty cool. And I didn't realize that it has 2 battery slots. One here, and you can get an extra battery there. So does that mean it lasts 2 times longer? I wonder how fast this battery is going to drain, because you're going to need a new battery if you're consistently using the spotlight and having that go off along with recording video. Man, like, I didn't realize it needed so much power. Right in the back, I thought this was a button. It's not a button. This here you can actually slide out, and then you can put in a USB-C cable in the back. Like, this can pop out, and then a USB-C cable can go right in there. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that. Boom. I'm thinking that if this can be wired somehow to the outside and like not worry about having to take the battery out and plug it back in all the time, like, that would be so convenient. So now let's set up our Ring device here. So our spotlight cam, we gotta twist this off and it'll pop right off. The battery is now fully charged, and so if you are making sure that it is fully charged, the top light, LED black little light there, that has to turn green, single green, or else if it's not fully charged, it'll be green and it'll be orange. But once it's fully green, just pop this right in, just like that, twist it on, and then you have a blue light that shines up right there. Once that goes through, it will have, it makes noise. All right, it made a noise. Cool. So it's start blinking. Go to setup device. Then we want to go to security cams. I'm ready to scan right here. Hit OK. And then you can scan it right there on the side where the QR code is. And then it says in here, how will you use a spotlight cam? Requires a nearby outlet. So you need to get an indoor-outdoor power adapter if you have one. We have a battery, so we have a battery pack. And then there's an option to do hardwired, but we just have a battery. So we're going to use battery pack. And it's fully charged. Continue. I want to remove it. So we have removed it. Continue. Insert the battery and put the cover back on. Okay, so it's cam is on. And then it's going to get your Wi-Fi password. And it's going to turn on access location to prove Wi-Fi functionality and location. Then it's going to scan and connect. And you can now install it. So that's how you set it up. Now all we have to do is install it. I'm going to put this together, and then we're going to install this camera. I'm going to show you how to do that. So now we have installed the camera, we've set up the camera, we've unboxed the camera. Let's talk about the app now, because I have two Ring devices, but we're going to be using the security camera here. So I have it in my garage, and you can change so many settings. So as I mentioned before, you can actually get two batteries for this device. I highly recommend it, because if you're using it a lot, if you're turning on the lights a lot, get two batteries. I'm gonna get one for myself. I have one coming through right away. You can turn on the lights, you can have motion detection, motion alerts, and the lights will turn on right now, but when it's nighttime, the camera will automatically put the light on, or turn the light on once there is motion in front of the camera. So, which is actually really cool. And then on the bottom here, you can actually change different modes. So you can have motion settings on here, you can have different camera zones, sensitivities, like if you want your motion sensitivity to be high, and so you can actually see those motions and get a lot of motion on your camera, you can do that. You can get smart alerts, ignore things that you want to ignore, or you want to capture things that you want to capture and things that you don't want to capture. You have motion schedules on here, a certain time of the day that you want the motion to be turned on. And you also have like your power setting on here too, so you can see what the battery status for each battery is. Snapshot capture, motion frequency, video recording length, which is another cool one. Snapshot capture every hour, every 14 minutes. And then if you need extra power for your camera, you can hit shop now, and you can actually shop now, or I actually have a link down below in my description box if you want to get this camera, extra battery, if you want to get a power cord so you can actually wire this, because you have the ability to wire this device as well. And you can get some accessories for it. You can get the ring chime, the solar panel, you can get a USB extension cable, a 10 feet one. You can get outdoor, indoor power adapter for it as well for these two, which is really cool. So that way you don't have to use the battery all the time. You can just leave it and then it will record forever. And if you are looking to upgrade, because you get a 30-day trial for this camera, but if you're looking to upgrade for more storage, more long-lasting recording than just the 30 days, you can always upgrade. And I think it's about 10 bucks per month for one device. But if you want to record and capture everything on all your devices, I believe it's about 100 bucks a month. If you have any questions, if you have any comments on how to get installed about this device, how to do this, how to do that, make sure to drop a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're looking for this device for yourself, make sure to look down in the description box so you can see the link, click on the link, and then you can purchase one for yourself. And if you do buy one, leave me a comment below as well. See how you like it. So that way everybody that's watching this video knows what you're experiencing. The good, the bad, the ugly, it doesn't matter. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.